Hello everyone, I would like to review this 3-ring recipe binder that was gifted to me by the brand to make an honest review. First thing I want to mention is how beautiful it looks. This marble print is just beautiful. This recipe book is made from high quality material. It's water resistant, perfect for long lasting use, very easy to add or remove pages. Its multifunctional design comes with 25 slots pages, easy to insert and keep recipe cards organized. It also has 6 divider pages that also helps organize recipes. It includes 50 recipe cards. This particular recipe book is medium size. It's very compact design. This would make a perfect gift for someone that loves to bake or cook. If you are looking for a high quality, long lasting recipe book, I recommend this product.